Hello, my most beautiful besties. I'm sure you guys can tell by today's title and thumbnail. We are doing a good old-fashioned Ipsy unboxing. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Ultimate right here, which I think this is the real reason why we've all gathered here today. So you guys want to see what's going to be in these boxes. Are they actually worth it? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so let's first dive into the Ipsy Glam Bag right here. Now, I think this retails for like $15 a month. I'm not entirely sure. I don't ever really get to pick these. They just kind of get randomly sent to me. I do have like an affiliate link code. I don't really know. I do have like a link. I don't really ever get anything from it, but if you do click on it, you do buy the subscription, I think I do get a small kickback, but don't ever feel obligated to do so. Yeah, I have been doing this series now for like the last 6 years. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, besties? I've been doing this series for 6 years. That's crazy. That's crazy. It used to be every single month where I'd unbox my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm, and then I used to do Battle of the Boxes, and then Ipsy bought BoxyCharms, so now it's just one Ipsy unboxing. So with that said, let's dive into the Ipsy Glam Bag. I think this retails for like $14, and you get a little makeup bag with 5 little minis in here, and sometimes the bag is great and sometimes it's not. You just really never know what you're gonna get. So here's the makeup bag right here. That looks weird. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Kiss marks and something else. I don't know. It's a little fishy. And then on the inside, we are gonna get a, we're gonna get Real Perfection. This is a makeup to flawlessness case with a sponge. Nice, you can actually wash your sponge with that. That's awesome. That's really cool. Next, there is going to be the Tatcha Foam Cleanse. Ooh, this is great for travel. That's freaking fantastic. Wow, okay. Next, we have a Sonage. This is the eye luster cream. Oh my God, besties, it's happening. It's happening. Do you guys? Okay, if you guys have been here on my channel for any point in time, especially when I was doing monthly BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxings, I used to always joke about how they only ever gave me eye cream. Like out of all the different skincare products, I only ever got eye cream. And it's happening again, and you know what? These old eyes, these wrinkly eyes, they can use it now. They can definitely use it. It's like it knows that I finally do need it. Next, we also got a Mo Beauty. This is a soft pinch Gimme Mo Glow liquid highlighter right here. Haven't heard of this brand before. And then lastly, there is a little Ather Beauty. This is going to be a cream eyeshadow. Oh, I remember Ather Beauty because every time I always said it, I always feel like I always feel like I said it weird. So here's everything you're going to get in this month's Glam Bag. Not a bad bag. Like, not a bad bag at all. I feel like this just makes it worth it. You know what I mean? Okay, so now let's dive into this month's Ipsy Ultimate box right here. Now this comes every 3 months. I don't know the price point. I want to say it's somewhere between $60 to $70. It should have 8 full-size items in here. I do believe you still get to pick the items that are in the box. I don't get to pick because, like I said, it was gifted to me in PR. So let's find out, was this box any good? Typically it really is. I really like their icon boxes where the celebrities used to curate them. That was fun. I feel like they still kind of do, but like they kind of switched it. But we're gonna find out together. Okay, so this is the fall edition right here. I have no idea what we got inside, so we're just gonna go ahead and dive in. So the first thing I see is from Mada. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm saying it right. This is gonna be the all night, oh my God, you gotta be shitting me. This is gonna be the all night eye cream. The all night eye cream, that is hilarious. You know what, besties? I will take it. I will take it. Okay, wait. Are you on here? Okay, so this right here retails for $90. Oh shit, my eyes are about to be fancy. So this is a rich overnight eye treatment that helps to soften the look of fatigued because your under eyes deserve a little beauty sleep too. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna be so vulnerable for a second. Your girl is on some medication. I am taking, be so open, and I'll talk about this in a Get Ready With Me, but I'm on an antidepressant, and it has had some effects on me where I've been having some trouble sleeping recently, and I feel like you can definitely see it. I had someone reach out to me the other day in my video and ask if I've been crying. I'm like, no, it's just because my under eyes were so just dark because I'm struggling with my sleep on this new medication. So I'm actually really looking forward to this because I feel like this can really help to make my eyes look not so tired and fatigued. So I'm definitely gonna be using this tonight because your girl can use some help. Your girl can use some help. No, for real. Okay, so next we have something from Beauty Bio. This is going to be the Swipe and Glow Peel Pads. This is a multi-acid resurfacing facial pads. Ooh, well, there's nothing about that in here, so I don't know what the price of this is, but I have seen this brand before a few times in Ipsy unboxings, especially like in their advent calendars, so that's exciting. I'll definitely be open to trying out some glow pads and some Claire Instant. I'll definitely be open to trying out some facial resurfacing pads for sure. Okay, so next we got something from, Makeup by Mario Master Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. I think I tried this a long time ago when this first came out. I don't think I was a fan because I'm pretty sure it's a very fluffy wand. Let's find out. Maybe I'm thinking of it differently. I don't know. That's really exciting. I haven't tried this in a very long time. I'm always open to trying out new mascara, so that's really exciting. Up next, we have a little Merit. This would be the tinted lip oil in the shade called Ombre Pomade, and it's gonna look like this. I used to really like their lip oils back in the day, but my only gripe with them is that the lip oils do not last at all. It doesn't really have a smell, but they do not last on lips very long. Like, they do come off pretty quickly, at least in my case. So they're really pretty, but they just don't really have a longevity to them. Up next, we got something from Skin & Co. This is going to be the Summer on the Riviera Bronzing Oil. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, I've never heard of this. This kind of looks like a Sol de Janeiro. Is this a glass bottle? It smells really good. It smells really, really divine. Wow. I've never actually used a bronzing oil before, so I'm assuming you just like put this on and lay out in the sun and then like get bronze. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Up next, we got an Elemis. This would be the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. I love this facial wash. This is a beautiful facial wash. Even though like I do have really oily skin, this is something that my husband and I do share. Like, I actually got him on this facial wash, so this is something he's actually washing his face with every single night in our shower. And I love the fact that I got a restock right here. That's awesome. This is a really good facial wash, and it says right here that this retails for $57. And it says start with a cleanser that does more than cleanse, lifting away makeup, SPF, and the day itself while gently refining the skin. That's awesome. I really do like the Elemis skincare. Up next, we got a Patrick Ta product. This is going to be the double take cream and powder blush in the shade called She's Giving. She looks like she's really bright pink. Oh, it's not as bright as I thought it'd be. It's not as bright. It looks like a little bit more on the lavender side. But I'm sure I could definitely still make that work. That's really pretty. Then lastly, we got something from Kors. This is going to be, I think, a fragrance. This is called Kima. I think I'm saying that right. It's going to have top notes of lime, mandarin, and orange, heart notes of marine, watery pepper, and space notes of cider, velveteer, and nutmeg. I didn't even know that Kors did perfume. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's smell this. Okay, you know what this is kind of giving? Do you know what this is kind of giving to me? Have you guys, well, I sound like you guys can't see me right now, but there is a ride at Epcot called Frozen. And in the Norway Pavilion, they have this particular perfume scent that you cannot miss whenever you're walking through the shop. Like, it permeates the shop. It's kind of giving that. It's kind of giving that fragrance that you find at Norway. It smells really clean. I don't really get the top notes of lime and mandarin. I do get more orange, and you could definitely smell the marine and like watery pepper. I smell that a lot. With a little bit of the cider. I don't really smell the nutmeg too much, but I gotta let that dry down. It just smells very clean, very fresh, and kind of like a nice like summer breeze style fragrance. Like, this is something that you would wear on the beach. Like, that's the kind of vibe I'm getting when it comes to this perfume, that you would wear this on the beach. It's very, very clean smelling and refreshing without it being too strong. Interesting. I didn't know they even did perfumes. Wow, that's incredible. So that's going to be everything that I got in this month's Ipsy bag and Ipsy Ultimate right here. Let me know down below, is this something that you guys still buy? I used to love doing this series all the time. It was so much fun unboxing this, or my Allure Beauty box, and my Birch box, FabFitFun. I used to love doing all those unboxings back in the day. They were so fun, and I just want to know, do you guys still get these? You guys still interested in them? Let me know in the comments below. But with that said, besties, that's going to be it for today's video. I have to say, I think they did a really good job this month. Oh, you know what this also smells like? Hold up. On Soren, when you're going through that Mandarin Grove, that's the kind of scent that I'm also getting. It smells really good. Really perfect for the summer season. Wow. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, cool. So I'll make sure I link them down below in case you guys do want to check them out. But that, my most beautiful friends, is going to be it for today's video. If you guys like today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head to my other channels, Are for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful ventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, besties, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.